I know it's cold. The water is cold. Especially in the mornings, the wind come off the sun out in the water. But by God, I get money, I'm gonna get paid. And I got into it, another guy who got a room then, you know, and bought a meal ticket. Bought meal tickets in them days, you get tickets. So everyone paid for so many meals. Get cheaper that way.
Mm-hmm.
I got, I said, I think the first or second time I paid, I went down, got me a, maybe pea coats. Those pea coats?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're warm, you know. And I got warm, and I laid them down on the dock there. You know, so I keep my eye on it, you know, a little ways away from there.
Mm-hmm.
And I was chipping away at noisy. And I looked up and here a truck had unloaded a bunch of square timber. There's a lot of square timber here, right on top of my coat. Well, you don't go and ask them to move all the timber to get over your coat. Long I was there, they never did move it. I wore that summer gun twice. Ah, yeah. I room with this Clifford Carlson. Yeah, Clifford Carlson had a room together. But one time we had a room. Then well, then there was rumors, you know, during hard times, there's always rumors of jobs. There's more rumors of jobs than. And the way to do it is to go check them out. That there was going to be a sawmill, building a sawmill in Bellingham. So we cashed in our meal ticket. Well, we got a bus ticket to Bellingham. It's a rumor, you know.
No.
And we ate a little that day, and we still had a room. Well, not very long. So we got to get back to Tacoma. And the inside, the inside, we got a Bearcat. Put no cars on the road. So we got a ride on a gut truck, hauled guts to what do you call these places? Haul their carcasses. Cook them up.
Rendering
plant.
Yeah, rendering.
And it's full of guts. You can stand behind the cab. So once we stood behind the cab in the rain. From Tacoma to the halfway house here between Tacoma. Cold, wet. So we belted ourselves together and belted it to the place down the truck you would pull off. Jesus. Yeah. Yeah. Didn't hurt me.